Hello and welcome to our channel, where we share easy software tips to help you work smarter, not harder. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 5 essential software tips that every beginner should know. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Use keyboard shortcuts, 016 to 045. Tip number 1. Use keyboard shortcuts. Instead of clicking through multiple menus, shortcuts can save you time and boost your productivity. For example, pressing Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste are universal shortcuts that work in almost every program. Over time, you'll discover more shortcuts tailored to your most used software, making your workflow more efficient. Tip 2. Customize your workspace, 046 to 115. Tip number 2. Customize your workspace. Most software programs allow you to rearrange toolbars, panels, and menus. Take a few minutes to set up your workspace exactly the way you like it. This personalized environment can help reduce clutter and make it easier for you to focus on your tasks. Tip 3. Use cloud storage, 116 to 145. Tip number 3. Use cloud storage. Whether you're working on documents, spreadsheets, or creative projects, saving your files to the cloud ensures you always have a backup. Services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive not only help you avoid data loss, but they also allow you to access your work from any device, anywhere. Tip 4. Keep your software updated, 146 to 215. Tip number 4. Keep your software updated. Developers frequently release updates that fix bugs and add new features. Enabling automatic updates or regularly checking for new versions can keep your software running smoothly and securely. Remember, an updated program is often more efficient and less vulnerable to security threats. Tip 5. Explore and learn new features, 216 to 245. Tip number 5. Explore and learn new features. Software can do more than just the basics. Take some time to explore advanced features and tools. Many programs offer tutorials or help sections that can teach you tricks to streamline your work or unlock powerful functionalities that you didn't know existed. Closing, 246 to 3. Those were 5 essential software tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.